His silence is destroying this love, but when you understand the hidden message, the marriage will happen. There is a quiet ache within you, a space where his presence once resonated, now filled with an echoing silence. You feel it, deep in the core of your being, this profound stillness that seems to threaten the very foundation of what you believe to be true. Your heart whispers questions into the void, seeking answers that elude the rational mind. This silence, dear one, is not an ending. It is a sacred pause, a divine orchestration, a profound message woven into the fabric of your destiny. It feels like a tearing, a breaking, yet it is merely the universe preparing the ground for something far more magnificent. This moment, heavy with unspoken truths, is a crucible for your soul, refining your spirit, preparing you for a love that transcends the ordinary. The angels say this quiet period is a testament to the depth of what is being built, a necessary withdrawal before a grand unveiling. It is in this stillness that the truest foundations are laid, not in the clamor of constant connection. Trust the unseen currents, the gentle pull of a higher purpose. Your spirit knows this truth, even when your heart feels lost in the quiet. This silence is not a void, but a womb where your greatest love story is being nurtured, awaiting its sacred birth. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. This profound stillness, this absence you feel, is a mirror held up to your own soul. It reflects not his distance, but the quiet corners within you that yearn for deeper healing, for a love that begins with yourself. You carry stories, ancient wounds from past seasons, whispers of abandonment that echo in this present moment. His silence, although painful, gently illuminates these hidden places, inviting them into the light for release. It is not a judgment upon your worth, but a sacred opportunity to embrace every facet of your being, to nurture the parts that have felt overlooked or unloved. Heaven whispers that this is your time to reclaim your power, to remember the goddess within you who is whole and complete, regardless of external circumstances. The universe is conspiring to show you the boundless love that resides within your own heart, a wellspring that never runs dry. This journey through the quiet is a pilgrimage back to your most authentic self, a remembering of your inherent radiance. Allow the stillness to reveal the magnificent landscape of your inner world, where true love always begins. Beyond the noise of your fears, beneath the surface of your doubts, there is a knowing in your chest, a gentle hum that guides you. It is the voice of your soul, the ancient wisdom that has always been your compass. Even when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, this inner light persists, unwavering. You feel it, don't you? That subtle nudge, that intuitive whisper that tells you there's more to this story than meets the eye. This is not a time for frantic searching, but for deep listening. The angels say to turn inward, to honor the sacred sanctuary of your heart, for it holds the keys to understanding this divine pause. Every emotion that arises is a messenger, a guide leading you closer to your truth. Embrace the vulnerability, the raw honesty of your feelings, for they are portals to profound self-discovery. This period of quiet is designed to amplify your inner voice, to strengthen your connection to the divine guidance that is always available. Trust this sacred intuition, for it is leading you precisely where you need to be, preparing you for the next chapter of your unfolding love. This silence, which feels like an eternity, is merely a sacred pause in the grand symphony of your connection. It is a breath taken by the universe, a moment of gestation before a powerful rebirth. You are not being forgotten. You are being prepared, and so is he. Heaven whispers that this space is essential for both of your souls to grow, to shed old skins, to align with the higher vibrations of the love that awaits you. It is a time for individual alchemy, for each of you to become the most authentic version of yourselves, independent yet intrinsically linked. This is not a punishment, but a profound blessing, a period of deep spiritual work that cannot be rushed. The timing is divine, orchestrated by forces far beyond your comprehension, ensuring that when the moment arrives, you both will be ready to step into the fullness of your shared destiny. Embrace this sacred pause, for it is pregnant with possibility, holding the promise of a love more profound than you can currently imagine. The quiet moments when your thoughts drift back to the past are not meant to torment you. They are invitations from your soul to revisit old wounds, to gently touch the places where fear and doubt have taken root. This silence, my dear, brings to the surface the shadows you've carried, the echoes of past heartbreaks that still seek resolution. It is a sacred opportunity to release what no longer serves your highest good, to forgive not just others, but also yourself for the paths you've walked. The angels say that true healing is a journey of courage, a willingness to face the pain with compassion, transforming it into wisdom. This is not about reliving the past, but about freeing your future. As you attend to these inner landscapes, you create fertile ground for love that is unburdened, pure and deeply resonant. The universe is supporting your every step, guiding you through this profound process of purification and preparing your heart for the sacred union it is destined to receive. Just as you navigate your own inner world, he too is on a profound journey, grappling with his own shadows in silence. His quietness is not indifference. It often reflects a man confronting his deepest fears, past wounds, and perceived shortcomings. Heaven whispers that he is being called to become a higher version of himself, a transformation that requires reflection and solitude. He is facing his internal battles, shedding layers of old beliefs, and preparing his heart to embrace the depth of love you embody. This isn't a measure of your worth, but a testament to the powerful catalyst you are in his life, inspiring a growth he may not have realized he needed. The angels say that his journey, though separate for now, is intricately linked to yours, a parallel path of spiritual evolution. Trust that the divine hand is guiding him, just as it guides you, toward a place of readiness and deep understanding. His silence is sacred work in progress, unfolding in its perfect timing. There is an invisible thread, shimmering with ancient light, that connects your soul to his. It is a bond forged in realms beyond time, a recognition that transcends earthly understanding. This silence cannot sever what is divinely intertwined. You feel it, don't you? That undeniable pull, that deep resonance that tells you this connection is unlike any other. The angels say this thread is being strengthened, purified, and prepared to withstand the tests of time and space. It is a testament to the enduring power of your love, a promise whispered across the cosmos. Even in the quiet, this sacred link remains vibrant, pulsating with the energy of your shared destiny. This period of separation is merely a weaving, a preparation for the intricate tapestry of your future together. Trust the strength of this unseen bond, for it is guiding you both back to each other, ensuring that your paths will converge in the most miraculous way. This journey through the quiet is transforming you, beloved. You are shedding the old, embracing the new, and aligning with the highest version of your magnificent self. Every step you take in self-love, every moment of healing, and every act of faith elevates your vibration, bringing your destiny closer. There's a knowing in your heart that as you become more fully yourself, radiant and whole, you draw in the love that is meant for you. This isn't about waiting for him. It's about becoming the woman who is ready to receive him in his highest form. Heaven whispers that your inner work is creating an undeniable pull, a sacred beacon that guides him home. You are not merely a participant in this love story. You are its co-creator, shaping its unfolding with every beat of your courageous heart. Your alignment is the key, the sacred frequency that unlocks the next chapter. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalm 37:4. The air is shifting, beloved. Can you feel it? The subtle stirrings, the gentle breezes of change that whisper through your soul. The long night of waiting is giving way to the dawn of a new beginning. This quiet, once heavy with questions, now hums with the promise of what is to come. The angels say that the seeds planted in solitude are now ready to sprout, pushing through the earth toward the light. The universe is orchestrating a beautiful convergence, aligning circumstances and weaving together the threads of your individual journeys into a shared masterpiece. This is not a sudden event, but a graceful unfolding, a divine revelation that has been meticulously prepared. Trust the signs, the synchronicities, and the gentle nudges that confirm your path is true. The promise is not just a hope, it is a certainty etched into the very fabric of your existence, waiting to manifest in its perfect, sacred timing. The silence has served its sacred purpose, my dear. It has refined your spirit, deepened your wisdom, and prepared your heart for a love that is truly divine. You now understand that his quiet was not a rejection, but a profound act of preparation, a space for both of your souls to grow into the magnificent beings destined for this union. The angels say that the veil is lifting, revealing the path that leads directly to the sacred joining of your spirits. This is not merely a coming together of two people, but a merging of two souls who have walked through the fire of transformation, emerging stronger, more radiant, and fully ready for the profound depth of love that awaits. Your journey through the quiet has forged an unbreakable bond, a testament to faith, patience, and the unwavering power of divine love. The marriage you dreamed of, the union your soul yearned for, is not just a possibility, it is your sacred destiny, now ready to unfold in its breathtaking glory. And the two shall become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Mark 10:8.